You've probably taken a photo and thought it looked great in the moment, but later you noticed an unexpected object like this tiny statue or a distant passerby on the sidewalk got in the way. So what do? You can retake the photo, but you can remove the unwanted imperfections through the magic of Photoshop. So let's take a look at that magic. With the right tools, you can remove almost anything in Photoshop. But let's start simple. Most of your photos probably need just a few minor repairs like removing this person and birds on the beach. This is where the spot healing brush tool shines. With this tool, you can remove small objects with one click, like the drone in this shot. Or you can remove slightly larger objects by brushing over them. Doesn't this image look better without the gambit on the left? This tool also works great to remove thin lines like these wires in this photo. I know we said this was magic, but let's pull back the curtain and see what's really happening. Let's start with a practical example. When you brush over an object with the spot healing brush tool, Photoshop takes pixels from somewhere nearby, drops them onto the object, and blends everything together for a seamless look. Photoshop does all the work in a blink of an eye, saving you time and effort. So let's recap. Photoshop empowers you to remove a wide variety of objects from your photos. For small objects, use the spot healing brush tool. It's a quick and easy way to remove imperfections and clean up your images. Now is your turn to practice retouching on your own photos.